Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to make for you one of my favorite meals. It's a cornbread casserole. I don't know if it actually has an official name. And years ago when I just started cooking, let's see, how long was that? 31 years ago. Damn, I'm old. But yeah, I used to work with this older gentleman, really cool guy, but he had made this, and I kind of got me to make it too, and I've been making it ever since. So if there's an official name, maybe someone can tell me in the comments, but let's dive right into it. Alrighty, so I am making cornbread from scratch. I went ahead and pre-made or measured all the ingredients so I wouldn't have to sit there and measure. I'm going to read the ingredients. This is just red mill cornmeal. Most Mega Marts should have this brand. If not, I'm sure you can go to the bakery section where they sell the flour. I'm sure they have cornmeal. I'm going to read the recipe. I'll also try to remember to write it, put it in the description. So it's 1 cup whole wheat pastry flour. I didn't have any. I'm just using all-purpose. So 1 cup all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. It says optional. I added it because sugar adds color to your baked goods. So just a tablespoon, not that much. 1 cup cornmeal, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and ½ a cup of butter or margarine. So I have my dry ingredients already here. Just give them a quick whisk. I've got my egg. You can also give that a quick whisk. ¼ cup of butter, which I pre-measured, and got a little bit much, but not much, so I'll just use it all. So butter, okay, don't need that anymore. I'm going to add, see if I can zoom this in a little bit. So here's the dry ingredients, and the wet ingredients. Now some people would say, well, add the wet to the dry, but you know, this is Alton Brown's muffin method. I feel like it mixes better, but you know, I don't, either way, as long as it gets mixed. And call that good. There might be a little lumps in there, but I'm okay with that. Preheat my oven. Let's do 400 while that's going. I like to, again, I did this in another video, but I like to pre-spray my hand over the sink. You can hang on to it, so I'm not getting spray all over the place. Decided to go with some fresh garlic today. I'd treat myself. I mean, fresh garlic is, you know, it's not like it's expensive. I just don't use it quick enough and it ends up going bad on me. So give that a start. Also, this is going to be a time, if you wanted to, you could add onion, but I don't like onion, so I don't put it in. Simple as that. Okay. And ground beef. Broken up. Pretty much the same seasonings I use every time. Get a little cumin, I'm almost out, but throw a little cumin in there. So I just ran out. What else I got in here? Oh, paprika, why not? Seasoned salt, not using that, too salty. So I like putting so much in, it makes it salty, so I guess that's it. Let that cook. I like mushrooms, so I'm adding mushrooms. I have a separate pan, I'm going to saute them in. Then I'll add them to the beef when I'm done. There we go. And my oven's hot, ready to go. And wait for that. Go ahead and throw the cornbread mix in here. And spread it smooth, or spread it out. Alright, the mushrooms are pretty much done. So is the ground beef. Now what I like to do, get these off the heat. I like to add a package of taco seasoning. Pour the whole thing in. Then all I usually do is I'll take the sachet and I'll fill it up with water. Pardon my standing in front of the camera, but you know, small kitchen, what are you going to do? Put that in there. Let that work his thing, do his thing. What I also have, I just picked this up today, it's tomato paste. Instead of buying a whole can, just buy it in a tube, and that way you can just reseal it and use it for next time. I don't know, maybe there's a tablespoon in there. See, all the water is absorbing into the meat. Throw the mushrooms in there. And that looks about good. Go ahead and call that. What I do is, I like to ladle this right on top of the cornbread. Meat, juice, and everything. And I just realized I've forgotten something I was going to do before I did this. Which I guess I'll just have to improvise. I want to get all that goodness. I don't even want a piece of garlic left out. gonna throw some. I had some salsa left over that I hadn't gotten to. I was gonna throw it in the sauce and mix it up. I'll just drizzle it over the top. Because salsa actually bakes up pretty nice. And then there you go. Camera legs in the way. And then finish it all off. Cheese. This is Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. You can literally add as little or as much as you want. I typically would try to cover the whole thing. You could also use pepper jack. You could use a combination of pepper jack and cheddar. Alright, and then just slide the whole thing in the oven. And 30 minutes later, alright, with just a simple swipe of the screen, 30 minutes has gone by. Let me gonna check to see for doneness. It smells amazing in here, by the way. It smells really good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm not temperature probing, I'm just using it to see if the cornbread is cooked all the way. I think we're happy. Looks clean. Oh man. Oh, dude. Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. Stupid microwaves. So yeah, here's a close-up. It smells amazing. Oh, dude. Cheesy, beefy, taco seasoning. Oh, dude. Looking forward to digging into this. Now, it's tempting to cut right into it, but you want to let it set. So, I've actually gonna be making a Caesar salad. I'm gonna be eating that while this sets and watching a YouTube video. So, I'll bring you back when we cut. Alrighty. Ate my salad. Delicious. Let's cut this sucker open. I didn't have a plate out. Oh man. Of course it's got a rattle on the stove, but oh man, look at that. Oh dude. Look at that. Cornbread's cooked through, cheesy, beefy. Oh, dude. Alright, we're gonna finish this off with a little sour cream, because why not? Nice dollop on top. Finish off with some Texas Pete's, because no meal is complete. Just because I like it. A couple cracks of fresh black pepper. Unfortunately, I had some black beans and I totally forgot to put them in. Oh well. Maybe next time. Or I'll use them for another meal. Get a bite of this. Yeah. Get a little sour cream on the next bite. Home run. Alright. Another clean plate. Freaking delicious. I got plenty left over for work this coming weekend. Like I said, reheats just great. As always, I thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.